Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, also known as the Frugal Mama, and many of you know that I have been shopping with Walmart for a long time. Since having several injuries and catastrophes and whatever, it has been so handy having their delivery service, or before I broke my foot, having their pickup service where you just go and park and they bring it to your car. It has been wonderful, and I want to acknowledge that before we get into this. I have been so grateful for that service. It has been an absolute lifesaver, game changer here at the Frugal Family home. But I do pride myself on honesty, being thorough, transparent when it comes to anything that I try to promote to you guys. And you know, many times I have said, hey, I love the Walmart delivery service or pickup service, and I recommend you guys use it too. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. Just sharing something that I have found value in, as I do. Well, a situation happened. You see this beautiful table here? I am in the new recording corner. First it was the Disney corner, then the Lego corner. Now it's the recording and Lego corner here, and I love it. I needed a table. I needed just the perfect table to fit in this very small space. I needed it to be fairly long, and I needed it to be really narrow. And on Walmart.com, I found this one and was so excited, ordered it right away. Hallelujah, it's gonna fit perfectly. This is all gonna be wonderful. We got it, and it does fit perfectly, and it is wonderful. But see this big box right here? It's from Walmart, and we are gonna talk about it. We've got a situation. We had a situation, and I am going to be sharing more Walmart related videos here soon, critiquing certain things, updating certain things, just sharing some info as things have come up or have happened. So stay tuned for that. But I ordered the table, and I was watching, the tracking information, and so it was supposed to show up this one day. And so I waited, and then I got a text, which Walmart will send you. Just Amazon does that. Most of the delivery places do. They'll send you a text and or an email and say, hey, Sarah is on her way to your door. Bring in your item, whatever. Well, they didn't send me one saying someone's on their way, which normally is what happens. It's someone's on their way. Not this time. I just got this message that said it's delivered. Okay, so Mariah, my youngest, went outside to look and see if the table was there. It wasn't there. And I'm like, what? This is weird. So I went out there, I looked, nope, it's not there. But very clearly the message said it had been delivered. So then I looked through some of the customer care about, well, what happens if it says that your thing's there, but it's not there? And so it gives these suggestions, go talk to the neighbors, go look. So what did we do? I sent the kids looking at the houses close by, and then I got in the car and drove around and around and around to the other houses that would have one part of our address, but then split up just to see if there was a mistake that was made. There was not. It wasn't there. It was nowhere. Big perk of it is you don't have to go get in your car. Someone brings it to you. And if you are housebound, disabled, or dealing with a recovery, it's a wonderful thing. Well, the other thing that it said to do when you've had a problem is to wait 2 days before you file for a refund. And I was like, 2 days? I need to get going on this. I've got to start this. I have things to do, and I want to put all this into place, and none of this can go forward till I have the table. So with the thought in mind that I would wait the 2 days and get a refund, I went ahead and jumped over to Amazon and bought the exact same table. Paid like $2 more. And it showed up exactly when they said it was going to show up. But guess what else happened? The next day, the Walmart table showed up. I could absolutely have returned one of them, either to Amazon or to Walmart. But then I was like, you know what? These are really narrow, long tables. These are fabulous. Yes, I'm doing a lot of recording down here, but also part of the plan is for us to be able to do our Lego creations and projects down here so that they're not taking up space upstairs where it's all very limited and they just end up everywhere. We're keeping it confined to here. A big part of our decluttering process was making room for all the Lego and American Girl stuff to not be in this hallway, and now it lives very comfortably in the laundry room under the stairs, with the idea that we could spread stuff out all over here and have so much fun. Well, I'm realizing that this table, though it's perfect, so perfect for someone on their own doing a project with Lego, which I have done as part of my birthday celebrations. That video will be on our vlog channel, Frugal Family Flies Again. It is fine for one person. But for all of us to be working on projects together, whether we're all doing the same one or each of us are doing our own, it would really be handy to have the other table set out here as well. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just keep both. They're really solid, good condition, lots of great reviews. I feel like they're sturdy and they're gonna last. So I'm keeping both of them. But I'm still a little bit miffed about how it all went down. One of the things that it had said in the, where is my package situation that I was looking up on the customer service when it initially said it was there, but it wasn't, was that sometimes on an accident, very rarely, it said, drivers will mark something as delivered when it hasn't been. So I was looking to see, a lot of times, most times, Amazon and Walmart will leave like a photograph as proof, showing where the product was left. For instance, this grocery order, they left a picture. Well, there was no picture, none, for this table. And interestingly, there wasn't a proof picture for this one or for Amazon. And I was fine with the Amazon one because the table showed up when it was supposed to.
Here is the replacement table. It has arrived.
But still, let's point out that they are not doing as well either with providing the proof photos. And those proof photos matter because if it went to a different house, the wrong house, but it was close by, it's almost certain that I'd be able to pick up on where that is and know where that and be able to find it, and go nab it back from that porch that it was delivered to incorrectly. So the proof pictures definitely matter. So Walmart, Amazon, all of you delivery people, please take the proof pictures and share them with us. It matters. It really does matter. So it looks like what probably happened was, as listed in the little helpful bits that they put there, probably, it was marked as delivered on accident a few days or a couple days before it ended up being delivered. I want to know, Frugal friends, have you had similar troubles, problems, whether with your Walmart delivery orders or Amazon? Please do tell us about it in the comments. Have you enjoyed using the Walmart delivery service? What things haven't really worked well for you? Tell us about it. What wacky experiences or unfortunate experiences or fabulous experiences have you had with either of those delivery services or any other? There's so much that is available for delivery now, thanks in large part to the pandemic, and I have absolutely taken advantage of a lot of it. Definitely. And like I said, I am really grateful. Really grateful. I just want to reiterate that I am truly grateful to have the deliveries available to me. It's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. It is a huge part of how our family has been able to continue on over the last year when things have been wacky. And I do love the table. The other one, it's still in the box. I'm going to open it and we'll put it out because this weekend we are going to be doing some Lego fun. Yes, I'm so excited. Yeah, we're going to bust out the other table, pour Lego stuff everywhere, and just have us a bunch of fun. And hopefully we'll be bringing you along for that on the vlog channel, Frugal Family Flies Again. I do hope that you are subscribed because we will have a lot more frugal living, saving and salvaging, finding the best value, talking it out, sharing what we have learned in our experiences. And we appreciate you all so much for watching our videos and being part of the Frugal family. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you all real soon.